Welcome to TechnoCam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Talkback on Android phone. Before we start, click subscribe and hit the bell to get updated. Okay, let's get started. If your phone is on Talkback,
has one notification.
you have to use double click
Booking.com.
to get into
Double
an
tap to
application.
activate. Double tap and hold to M.
And you can't even scroll anywhere on your phone
Booking.
by using
Messenger.
one finger. And you have to use double click to click to any application.
Messenger.
See, I click, I
Service.
can't even
Chat heads
scroll,
active. Start a
and I have to
conversation.
click a double click
Home button.
every
System
single
launcher.
button and
Lens.
application.
Lens.
I can't even scroll using
Double
my
tap to activate.
finger.
Double tap and hold to long
So
press. Actions
now
available.
you can
Use
scroll
swipe up
by
then right
using
to view.
two fingers together. Okay, I
Gamut.
can scroll now.
Big.
So scroll to get
Duo.
into
Double tap to activate.
settings.
Settings. Double tap to
So
activate.
use your
Double
two
tap and
finger to click
page 2 of
settings.
4. Settings. Settings. Settings.
Scroll up and looking for convenience tools.
Convenience tools.
Click it
Double tap to
using
activate.
both fingers to click.
Convenience tools. Navigation. Out of list.
Scroll
Double
up a
tap
bit.
to activate. Screen recording. Double tap.
Accessibility.
In list.
Click on accessibility.
Accessibility. Vision. Heading. In list.
Okay, we'll see Talkback on the top and click on it.
Double tap to activate.
You can use double click or
Talkback. Checked.
use two finger. Okay, now turn off. Sorry.
Watermark prompt. Checked.
You can use double click or use both fingers together.
Turn off
to click.
Talkback. Tapping stop will stop Talkback.
Click
Out
on
of list.
stop.
Talkback off.
Done. So now Talkback is off. You can scroll everywhere using just one finger. Okay. Thanks for watching.